Botany is the study of plants, including plant structure, function, reproduction, diversity, inheritance, and more. Plants may seem like they're part of the background of your life when really they're at the center. The food you eat, the clothes you wear, the materials that make up your home, all these things depend upon plants. Plants remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to keep your planet from getting too warm for life as you know it. They provide homes for insects and other animals, filter impurities out of groundwater, and help protect shorelines from erosion. And beyond all these useful things plants do, they're just cool. Plants have many unique strategies that help them survive in all different kinds of environments. They trap and trick insects, grow in the ground or up in the rainforest canopy, and manage to survive everywhere from the glacial Arctic to the hot, dry deserts. They seem so different from people, and yet when you really look at how plants grow and function, you'll be surprised at how similar they are to you. This chapter offers an overview of the science of botany, giving you a peek into the mysteries of plants. Taking a close look at plant structure. You might not think so, but plants are a lot like you. Their bodies are made of cells that are organized into tissues, see Chapter 2, and these tissues form the familiar plant organs of roots, stems, and leaves, see Chapter 3. Plant cells use the same basic chemistry as your cells, storing information in DNA, using carbohydrates for energy, and putting proteins to work. And your cells and plant cells are both eukaryotic cells, meaning they have a similar structure that includes a nucleus and cellular organelles. Plants have many ways of reproducing themselves, see Chapter 4. When plants reproduce sexually, they make special reproductive cells called spores. Many familiar plants make a structure that's even better at starting the next generation, the seed. Seeds protect the plant embryos they carry and nourish them with stored food. Many familiar plants reproduce sexually by producing showy flowers designed to attract animals to help spread their pollen around. Other flowering plants just dangle their flowers in the wind and let the wind do the work. Remember, flowers contain the male and female parts of the plant that will participate in sexual reproduction. Pollen comes from the male part of flowers, carrying and protecting the plant's sperm. The female parts of flowers house the ovules that contain the eggs. Pollination occurs when pollen arrives at the female part of the flower. The pollen releases the sperm so that they can fuse with the egg, causing fertilization and starting the next plant generation. After fertilization in flowering plants, the ovaries within the flowers develop into fruits, see Chapter 4. Some fruits are sweet and fleshy, inviting animals to come eat the fruit and then disperse the seeds.